Now earlier, you might notice that the local tribal chieftain was praying to the birds for divine intervention. And it's very common because birds are used as biological indicator. As a matter of fact, after calamities such as earthquakes, typhoons, if you happen to see birds flying above us in a certain pattern, that's a good indicator that it is now safe to return. So please, look for these kind of signs.
In every disaster, we are given the chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution.
And that ends our show for today. We hope you had fun. We hope you learned something new today. But most importantly, we hope that you would cherish this moment that you have with you, with your friends and loved ones who are spending in this very beautiful place that we call the Managos Garden Resort. By the way, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, which we have been doing for the past 20 years already. With that, for our final word, it's going to be Rookie is going to say to everyone, bye-bye! Daghang salamat o mayong buntag kanatong tanan.
Now, as much as we would like to offer a photo op with our birds after the show, we can